deep in the vast immensity of the universe, specifically about 2 million light-years away from our galaxy, lies the Andromeda Galaxy, the closest large galaxy to us. It is often regarded as one of the most beautiful galaxies in the cosmos, and on a completely clear night, it is possible to observe it with the naked eye due to its relative proximity. Andromeda boasts an immeasurable number of stars, known as Lemnian stars, which shine like lights in the darkness of space. However, despite its serene beauty, Andromeda may not be as harmless as we once thought. There is growing evidence suggesting that it could be far more terrifying than we ever imagined, potentially leading to catastrophic destruction. What could be the reason behind this alarming possibility? Stay with us until the end of this discussion to find out, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to support us. It really helps us out. It is well known that galaxies are formed from the remnants of the Big Bang, which left behind vast clouds of gas and dust. Over time, these materials coalesced and adapted into the distinct shapes we now recognize in the infinite expanse of the universe. However, recent observations suggest that our cosmic neighbor, Andromeda, is not just any galaxy, it is a cannibal galaxy. Over the course of its long existence, Andromeda has been devouring smaller galaxies, and now it appears that it is coming for the Milky Way, setting the stage for a colossal galactic collision. Or perhaps, it aims to slowly consume us until both galaxies merge into one. Andromeda's appetite for smaller galaxies has earned it a fearsome reputation. Evidence of this cannibalism can be traced back through billions of years. According to a study conducted by the University of Sydney in Australia, the probability of the Milky Way suffering the same fate is high. Astronomers first observed a related phenomenon when they detected a structure within Andromeda known as the ductliest structure, which appears to have originated from another galaxy. This led researchers to hypothesize that Andromeda had devoured this galaxy long ago, creating a cosmic feast. Astrophysicists describe this collection of stars as remnants of a cosmic banquet, proof of Andromeda's voracious appetite. Moreover, this is not an isolated event. Throughout its history, Andromeda's insatiable gravitational pull has absorbed countless smaller galaxies. From these findings, scientists concluded that Andromeda's growth has been both violent and sporadic, resulting in smaller celestial objects orbiting its outskirts as leftovers from its numerous cosmic feasts over the millennia. This process has already begun for us. The Milky Way and Andromeda are slowly approaching each other at a rate of 400 kilometers per second, according to a NASA report. Although this speed is imperceptible to us on Earth, it signals the inevitable path toward the formation of Lactomeda, the galaxy that will emerge from the collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda. Astrophysicists estimate that this colossal collision will occur in about 4 billion years. Contrary to the idea that Andromeda will simply devour the Milky Way, the two galaxies are expected to merge into a much larger, more complex, and harmonious structure. Unfortunately, by the time this happens, humanity will most likely be extinct, with only the remnants of our civilization left behind as traces of our existence in the cosmos. Or perhaps not. There remains the possibility that humanity will advance to a point where we no longer need to fear this mega collision. If we manage to develop advanced technology, we might not only escape our solar system but also leave our galaxy behind altogether. Our imagination cannot be confined, and in the coming millions of years, we may achieve close to immortality, mastering the radiation of outer space and even traveling at the speed of light. What an incredible breakthrough that would be! Such advancements could allow us to pivot between galaxies and save the human race, giving us the chance to observe the breathtaking cosmic collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda from a safe distance. For those of us currently living in the Milky Way, such a collision would be an unimaginable catastrophe, likely resulting in the extinction of all life on Earth. However, if humanity manages to find a habitable world outside these two colliding galaxies, we could survive and witness this cosmic spectacle from afar. From another world, observing the merging of these two galaxies might be a terrifying prospect, but it would also be a wondrous sight, an awe-inspiring event in the history of the universe. When this merger takes place, the newly formed Lactomeda galaxy will be lifeless for millions of years. But life, as we know it, has a way of finding a foothold, and eventually, the miracle of life may occur once again in this new galaxy. The inhabitants of Andromeda, if any emerge, will live far longer than we do today. However, they will have much to envy. They will not have the opportunity to witness the vibrant shapes and colors of the universe as we do. The radiation that has allowed us to glimpse the early moments of the Big Bang will no longer be visible to them. They will not be able to observe the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang, nor will they see quasars, those brilliant beacons of cosmic activity. Consequently, their understanding of the universe's expansion will be limited. In fact, even the light from the nearest galaxies will grow fainter and eventually disappear, leaving the inhabitants of Andromeda in an isolated pocket of the cosmos. They may come to believe that the universe is static and eternal, much like the early thinkers who followed the Aristotelian model of the universe. This model, developed by the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle, held that the Earth was the center of the universe and that the sun, moon, planets, and stars all revolved around it. The Aristotelian model of the cosmos was highly influential in the development of human thought. It remained a dominant paradigm for understanding the world for centuries, until the paradigm shift initiated by Copernicus, who proposed that the sun, not the Earth, was the center of the universe. Aristotle's philosophy covered many disciplines, including logic, metaphysics, ethics, politics, biology, and physics. In his metaphysical writings, he proposed that everything in the universe has a purpose or final cause. For example, the purpose of an acorn is to become an oak tree, while the purpose of a human being is to attain wisdom and happiness. His ideas on logic introduced the concept of deductive reasoning, which remains a foundation of logical thought to this day. In conclusion, as we look to the future and ponder the inevitable collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda, we are reminded of the impermanence of everything in the universe. However, humanity's curiosity and ingenuity may allow us to survive even the most unimaginable cosmic events. Thank you so much for watching the video. Remember to give it a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel to support us. We hope to see you in the next video.